Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix blurry Twitter AV on settings. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that. We will just click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window. We will just go down and we click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we just go down to looking for a Twitter app. We'll just go down here and we find it. We will click here on Twitter. Then we go to next window here, like you say, you click here on for stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down, you click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data, and you update your app on Play Store or Store, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.